In this tutorial, you will learn how to add and format text boxes to your PowerPoint. First, go to the top of your screen and click on the Insert tab. Then, click on the button labeled Text Box. From here, drag your cursor down onto the slide. Left-click and slide where you want your text box to appear. So it's click and drag. Now the text box is on the slide. To add text, just start typing. I'm going to type evaporation. I don't really like how this text looks, so I'm going to make some changes. In order to make some changes, I first need to select the word. So I'll position my cursor at the end of the word, and when my cursor becomes an I left click and drag back over the word, and you can see the word becomes highlighted. If I hover my mouse over the word, you see a text box pop up. You see a box pop up. And if I move my mouse up onto that box, the box becomes activated. This box contains all the tools necessary to modify the font. So the first thing I'm going to do is change the font. So I'm going to click on this first drop down arrow, and I can use this scroll bar, and I can scroll, and I can also hover over and see how the font will look on my word. And when I find one I like, I click on it to select it. I also want to change the size of this font. So I will click on the next drop down arrow and hover over until I find a font that I like. So I'm going to choose this one. And you'll notice how my font is too big now for the text box. And that's easily fixed by just clicking, left clicking and dragging on this center square until the word fits in the box. Alright, so now I'm going to right click on the box and open up this box again. And now I'm going to change the color of my font. And I can do that by clicking on this drop down arrow with the A next to it. And I'm going to choose red. Alright, I can also change the color of the text box by clicking on this drop down arrow next to the paint bucket and choosing a color for the back of the box. Alright, and so when I like what I see, I just click off on the slide somewhere, and there is the text box. So now it's your turn. You've learned how to add text boxes to your PowerPoint. Go ahead and give it a try.